The biggest hits. Non-stop. 24/7.
All right, welcome back to RToD, and today we have a wonderful guest inside the studio out promoting his newest album, Peter Frampton. So, Peter, thanks for joining us. Now, you've always made records going all the way back to Humble Pie, Frampton's Camel, and of course your celebrated solo albums, all of them on a single record company. And now, after all these years, you're going on another label, going on Atlantic Records. I'm wondering whether that kind of switch gives an artist a psychological lift, the kind when people might move into a new house or change jobs.
Well, I think that not only being with a new record label, taking some time off and sorting everything out, it's great because everything is new. There's new record label who seem very excited, which is obviously pleasing. New management, Tony Smith. Let's see, what else? I've got new publishing companies and new guitars, everything, so everything's brand new.